Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing good with your studies also. I Meeta Singh, your science teacher, welcome you in your science second video of chapter 6, changes around us. In the last video, we have completed up to the reversible and irreversible change. In today's video, we are going to read about the physical change, chemical change, and the favoring condition of change and changes due to expansion and contraction with the animated videos. But before that, you have to give we have to clear about the last question of the last video. Okay, so the question was, is printing a reversible or an irreversible change? And the answer is, printing is an irreversible change because we cannot separate and collect the printing ink after printing. हम ऐसा नहीं कर सकते. I hope you are clear with the answer. So let's start with the today's video about the physical change and chemical change.
Physical changes and chemical changes. Before
chemical changes. Physical changes. Physical change is a temporary change which is in most cases reversible. In such a change, only the physical properties of the substance undergo some change, but no new substance is formed. For example, you can see in the video when we break a glass bottle, then we change its shape and size only. It is the pieces are also now only made up of glasses only. So we are changing its shape and size only. No new substance formed. So this is physical change. And if we want to take another example, when we cut vegetables, we just change their shape and size. No new substance is forming there. Original properties are same. No new substance formed. This is also a physical change. Like if we talk about the changes of states of matter, if we talk about the melting, when ice melt into water, so there no new substances formed, only shape and size has changed. So this is a physical change. If we talk about the boiling, the water evaporates and water becomes in the steam, or we can say vapor. So same in the boiling process there is a physical change, and same process in the freezing also. When we talk about the freezing में क्या होता है, जो हमारा water है वो it converts into ice. So there is no new substance formed, only their shape and size is changing. So this is also a physical change. So you have to remember that melting, boiling, freezing, in all three states of matter we are just getting the physical change. कौन सा change यहाँ पर हमें देखने को मिल रहा है? Physical change. So these are some properties about the physical change. Now we will talk about the chemical changes. Chemical changes. When we talk about the chemical changes, a chemical change is a permanent change which is irreversible. Chemical change कभी भी reversible नहीं होगा. In such a change, some new substances with different properties are formed. For example, burning of wood. I am giving you example in your video. Burning of wood. जब wood बनती है तो उसमें हमें क्या मिलती है? राख मिलती है. एक नया सब्सटेंस बन रहा है. ऐश, जो हमें ऐश मिलती है राख, उससे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और HO2 दो नए सब्सटेंस फॉर्म हो रहे हैं, है ना, जो हमें वाटर की फॉर्म में और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड की फॉर्म में मिल रहा है. टू न्यू सब्सटेंसेस. सो दिस इज केमिकल चेंज. एंड इफ वी बर्न द वुड वी कैन नॉट रिवर्स इट अगेन इन ऐश इनटू द wood. So this is irreversible. So these are the characteristics, or we can say properties of chemical changes which we compulsory for the we recognize about the chemical changes. Next is about the natural and man-made changes. The changes which are brought about by nature or take place on their own are called natural changes. अपने आप जो changes होते हैं nature में, like if we talk about the example growth of plants and animals occurrence of day and night, rain and storm are all natural changes. हमारा इन पर कोई हमारी फोर्स नहीं चलता. अगर डे और नाइट होना है तो वो अपने आप नेचुरली होता है. चेंजेस विच आर ब्रॉट अबाउट बाय मैन आर कॉल्ड मैन मेड चेंजेस. और अगर मैन के हमारे ह्यूमंस के इंटरफेयर से कोई चेंजेस आ रहे हैं तो दे आर कॉल्ड मैन मेड चेंजेस. लाइक कुकिंग फूड एंड कंस्ट्रक्टिंग बिल्डिंग्स आर टू एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ मैन मेड चेंजेस. आई होप यू आर क्लियर अबाउट द नेचुरल एंड मैन मेड चेंजेस बिकॉज दिस इज द सिंपल टर्म अबाउट द चेंजेस. हम पहले भी बहुत सारी चीज़ों में पढ़ चुके हैं कि नेचुरल चीज़ें वो होती हैं जो नेचर में अपने आप एग्जिस्ट करती हैं और मैनमेड जिनमें ह्यूमंस का इंटरफेयर रहता है. तो उसी तरह से सेम हमारा टर्म नेचुरल एंड मैनमेड चेंजेस के लिए भी यहाँ पर है. If we talk comparatively about the physical change and chemical change, so first about the physical change, it is temporary change, reversible, and no new substances formed during the change. And if we talk about chemical change, it is permanent change, irreversible, and new substances are formed during the change. Okay, so I hope you are clear about the main characteristics of physical change and chemical change.
A burning candle. Dear students, I told you that burning is a chemical change, but when we talk about a candle, then it is an example of both a physical as well as a chemical change. Because when a candle burns, both physical and chemical changes occur. If we talk about the physical changes that occur while burning a candle, the heating of candle, it causes melting of the wax and the solid wax is converted into liquid wax. So this is a change in the form from solid to liquid. So it is a physical change. The wax which is very near to the flame, it burns along with the wick and gives us new substances like carbon dioxide, water vapors, carbon soot, heat and light. So new substances are being formed. So we can say that it is a chemical change because we are getting new substances. When it is doing all these things, when it is giving us the properties of both chemical and physical changes, then we can say it that a burning candle is an example of both physical and chemical change.
Change caused due to expansion and contraction. Okay. हीटिंग एंड कूलिंग कैन ऑल्सो ब्रिंग अबाउट चेंजेस इन सब्सटेंसेस. गर्म करने से और ठंडा करने से भी सब्सटेंसेस में जो चेंजेस आते हैं. लाइक इफ़ वी हैव वन एक्टिविटी, टेक एन आयरन बॉल और रिंग एपरेटस. ओके, इस तरह का हम एक इक्विपमेंट लेंगे, रिंग एपरेटस एंड आयरन बॉल. व्हेन वी ड्रॉप इनटू दिस रिंग एपरेटस, आयरन बॉल पासेस ईजीली. ओके, ये इस तरह से पास हो जाती है. यू कैन सी विद द पिक्चर. Then as I am showing you in the picture, heat the iron ball. हम आयरन बॉल को गर्म करते हैं और गर्म होने पर क्या होता है, एक्सपेंशन हो जाता है. वो जो हमारी आयरन बॉल है वो फैल जाएगी, है ना. तो वो उसे हम कहते हैं एक्सपेंशन. तो वो एक्सपेंशन किससे होता है, हीटिंग से होता है. नाउ यू कैन सी बॉल डज नॉट पास थ्रू द रिंग, क्योंकि वो गर्म करने से एक्सपेंड हो गई है तो अब वो उसमें फिक्स नहीं हो रही है. ओके, तो जो हमारी हीटिंग है, अगर हम किसी सब्सटेंस को हीट करते हैं तो वो क्या होता है, एक्सपैंड हो जाता है. आफ्टर सम टाइम बॉल पासिस थ्रू द रिंग एट रूम टेम्परेचर. थोड़ी देर बाद जब वो ठंडा हो जाता है, जिसे हम कॉन्ट्रैक्शन कहते हैं, तो वो ईजीली बॉल दोबारा से उसमें से पास होने लग जाती है. दिस एक्टिविटी शोज दैट सॉलिड्स have the effect of heating and cooling as expansion and contraction. Okay, so with these videos I hope you all are clear with all the points, all the topics of this chapter, changes around us, and I will suggest you that read the chapter thoroughly, look out at the activities you have given in the book. So you will be clear with with all the points, and you will be able to do your book work, okay? Or I will provide you PDF of book work and copy work in the tomorrow, so you will be able to do in your book and notebook. Okay children, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.